Are you searching for the best SMT pick and place machine? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best SMT pick and place machines in 2024, which save you time and money. Number 1. High-Speed Auto SMT Pick and Place Machine. It is the most popular and best-selling product in 2024. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2. Desktop Automatic SMT Pick and Place Machine. It is another most popular and best-selling product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. Automatic PCB Printing Machine SMT Pick and Place Machine. Automatic PCB Printing Machine SMT Pick and Place Machine, 54 bits with full vision chip mounter LED SMD dual 6 heads for Summit line.
Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 4. Fully automatic 2 heads 4 heads 3545T SMT SMD Pick and Place Machine. The ZB3245 TSS series mounter with 2 heads can pick and place at the same time. Independent 54 feeder station, 19-inch Dell display, multiple sets of high-resolution CCD industry dual camera vision. The transmission mechanism is equipped with high-precision synchronous belt and linear guideway, stepping servo motor. Supports CSVTXT document edit, maximum PCB 32450mm, suit for general resistance capacity LED lamp bead and IC. Components easy operation. This machine is designed for small amount PCB production like RD design, experimental teaching, etc. LED making machine. The SMD switch is made of high quality LED light, which can make the machine more beautiful and convenient. Automatic machine, fully automatic. The automatic SMD assembly machine can be fully automatic, and it is very convenient to use. Bestseller. SMD is the best seller in the manufacturing industry. From home salespeople to event planners, we have been always on the way to improve the product quality and service. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at any time. Small size. The SMD pickup machine is small in size and light in weight, which is very convenient to carry and store. Useful. The SMD pickup device can be used to make various kinds of SMD products, such as SMD, PCB, SMD, etc. New quality. This product is made of high-quality materials, which is durable and has a long service life. Number 5. HUAQIZHENGBANG SMT Pick and Place Machine Desktop 2-head high-speed, with professional visual algorithms to determine the center of the components, calculate the position offset and angel offset so that we can pick and place efficiently. Mute vacuum pump. With 2 built-in imported mute vacuum pump and a blow air pump. Manual man-machine interface. Chip place zone. Put the chips here. Just need to set the corresponding coordinates. PCB place zone. Place the PCB here while the SMT processing. Exclusive development of Ethernet device interface. Industrial strength Ethernet interface connect conveniently to guarantee the machine reliable operation. Industrial strength under visual system. It's able to identify the mark point and determine the coordinates of component by manual or automatic control. Intelligent placement head. The well-designed placement head has realized that double suction vacuum test missing. Part check. Automatic dialing materials.